Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact on your Samsung tablet. First, it is crucial to confirm your device meets the game's minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. Once confirmed, head over to the Google Play Store on your tablet and search for Genshin Impact. Make sure you have ample storage, specifically at least 30 gigabytes, before initiating the download. This initial step is vital for a successful installation and enjoyable gameplay. After the initial download, the game will require you to download additional in-game data, which can be quite substantial. Be patient during this process. Once complete, you will be prompted to log in. You can use your existing MyHoYo account or easily create a new one directly within the game. Finally, take a moment to adjust the graphics settings to best suit your tablet's capabilities, ensuring optimal visual quality and performance. To enhance your Genshin Impact experience, consider a few optimization tips. First, close any unnecessary background applications running on your tablet to free up valuable system memory and processing power. A stable and fast Wi-Fi connection is also paramount for seamless online gameplay and avoiding frustrating lag. Additionally, many Samsung tablets offer a dedicated game booster feature. Activate it for improved performance. Now that you are ready to play, familiarize yourself with the touchscreen controls. They are designed to be intuitive for movement, combat, and interacting with the world. For those seeking a more traditional gaming feel, connecting a compatible Bluetooth controller can significantly enhance your experience. With controls mastered, dive into the expansive world of Teyvat, complete quests, and uncover its many secrets. Enjoy your adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.